They are approved by FDA, and these are natural supplements from the US. Now, what we do is that we stand for one thing. We believe that when the body is fed very well, when the body is given the right nutrients, the body can take care of itself. Today, I'm going to talk to you about diabetes and its consequences and symptoms and why people are suffering. I've been working with this American company for over 13 good years now. Ladies and gentlemen, I know a lot of people who call and the problems people are suffering from. Diabetes and hypertension is one of the leading causes of ailment today, and it's making many men very impotent. Many men are not able to perform. As a result of that, what they do is that instead of them finding a way to help themselves, clear themselves from these problems, they rather resort to using aphrodisiacs. Some of them resort to taking concoctions called bitters and the rest. And ladies and gentlemen, it goes a long way to affect it. Today, I'm here to show you natural products that can help you. One thing I want you to understand before I get to talk to you about some of these products you see here is that every human being, you need to exercise. What are diabetes? Diabetes are caused by, we can consider them to be insulin connected, okay? One, if your body is not able to produce insulin, you suffer from what we call high blood sugar, okay? And the beta cells in your pancreas is not able to produce insulin. That will get into your system to regulate the glucose level in your blood. It will lead to what we call the diabetes type 1. And there is the type 2, which is also an issue. In this case, the individual may have insulin, okay? But the body resists the effect of insulin. It means that the receptors that must have to convey insulin into the bloodstream for the cells to be fed with them will not be able to do so, and that may lead to the diabetes type 2. Ladies and gentlemen, some of these things are genetic, and some of these things are also caused by sedentary lifestyle. Some of us, we sit down at one place for 8 hours, especially those who are sedentary workers. That is why I recommend that when you sit down for 2 hours, stand up and walk a bit. Don't sit down for too long. Overweight. When you are put on weight unnecessarily. Ladies and gentlemen, you need to share some fat out of your system. This is what brings me to what I call nature's code of conduct. Every human being, if you want to be free from diabetes, hypertension, and the rest, please exercise. I tell people there's no medication, there's no medicine that can take the place of exercise. So when you are not exercising, you are depriving your body of a lot of problems. If you're suffering from all these things, you can call us. You can contact us on the number below and let us be of help to you, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I advise that apart from after exercising, you should eat very well. And when you eat very well, you should take your aloe vera gel. This is a product I don't joke with. And how does it work? Aloe vera gel contains the saponin, it contains the lignin property, and what it does is that it cleanses the system. Aloe vera gel removes dust from the colons so that your colons will be clean. It also helps in regulating. It's an immunomodulator. It also regulates the glucose level in your system. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how I take it in the morning. Okay, I don't just take it like that. After I've poured my aloe vera gel, normally if you're a diabetic patient, I don't expect you to take much. You can measure one of this late, one morning, one evening for 3 days. After 3 days, you measure 2 times, 2 of it for 3 days. Okay, like this. You do this for 3 days. Okay, then after the next day, you increase it to 3. You increase it in that sequence so that the body adapts to it, okay? But if you're not a diabetic patient, you can start with 60 ml. You can measure 6 of it, take it morning, first thing in the morning without meals, and you are good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, because I am interested in this is one of the best products that helps men to become men, okay? And when you are suffering from issues, it is very, very important. So you see what? I get one of it, and take a pack like this. Then I tear it, pour it into the aloe vera gel, okay? I get it into the aloe vera gel, okay? Then this is it. If you want to be strong, you want to be active, this contains ellagen and it cleans our arteries, okay? And dilate the blood vessels so proper blood is circulated throughout the parts of the body. This is very, very good. L-arginine, the content of L-arginine in this is very, very high, and it helps men alone. It helps men a lot, rather. It helps men to become men. Ladies and gentlemen, I advise all of you, please don't joke with your health. Health is everything. So look at how it is. So I take it like this. Oh my God. This helps you to become a man. We have the berry nectar. It's also very good, but when you are a diabetic patient, I advise you to take aloe vera gel, and there are other few supplements that we can help you understand that you need to use. We don't advise you to stop your medication. We don't stop you from seeing a doctor. We don't stop you from taking your drug. All that we advise is that use them alongside your drugs, okay? And you will rejoice doing that, because these are natural. They will facilitate the healing process. They will help your system, okay, and help you to look healthy. Now, if you have any issue, you can contact me for further explanation. Is this hypertension? Is it diabetes? Whatever you are suffering from, call us and we will know the right supplement. We will know the right nutrients you need to feed the body. We stand for, remember, if you can feed your body very well, the body has the ability to heal itself. That's what we stand for. So we don't claim a cure. Call us now and we'll be of good help to you. Whilst we administer the products to you, we also teach you what to do. Today, look at your young guys. They can't perform. Look at many diabetic patients and hypertensive patients. They can't really perform in bed. And it's causing a lot of chaos. Look at heart attack. Somebody walks very small and is already tired. People cannot do many things, and it's a problem. Ladies and gentlemen, let us adapt to nature, and most of our problems will be a thing of the past. Thank you, and God bless you.